Hello friends, and welcome to the video that shows you how to complete today's work. Yesterday, by the end of class, you should have had your rough draft of your storyboard complete. At least given your best attempt at having a description down for each of your 20 slides and your 20 slides designed. Now, we all are in various places on that, so take that into knowledge. But during our video lesson today, we talked about why we do peer critiquing and editing of each other's work here in drama class, and also what we would be looking for in each other's story. And that's the elements of plot. You're going to be also giving a grow. That means what they've done well, and then a grow. How can they grow and make their story better? And also, you'll have a spot to give any kind of other personal feedback. And since our class is small, you'll have a chance to look at everyone's story today. So let me show you how that's going to work. So this is for a grade, so you must participate in your peer feedback. And then if your story isn't done or you want to go ahead and start making revisions, please do so. This feedback that you're going to get from your peers, I will email it to you by Friday morning. So because Friday is going to be a lot of work just making your story better and getting the final draft really in. But we'll talk more about that in Friday's work. And remember, that Friday work is built into this classroom. So make sure you stay tuned to that. So now let's go ahead and jump and look at this form. When you open up this form, you'll click the review button here in our classroom, and it'll take you to this Google form. And here you will have already, you will click the video, and that is this video that you're watching now. That's just in case you want to watch this again or if it's easy to come back to. So you're going to click next, and it's going to bring up your first story, which I have currently pulled out Taylor's story. She's the one that is closest to being done currently. And you will see that, hey, Mr. Groff, it's really hard to see. Well, if you hit hold Control, and hit the plus button, you'll zoom in, and that will help you see her story. Or you may right-click and hit Open Image in a new tab. You see up here on my screen that it opened up in a new tab. And now I can even come in here and I can click to zoom in, and now I can see her whole story by scrolling around. So if you're having some image viewing problems, try those two tricks. Remember, you can Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out, or you can right click the image and open in a new tab to see on a bigger screen and be able to zoom in very clearly. So once you read through their story, you're going to come down here and you're going to answer these questions. First, you're going to check the elements of plot below that you see evidence of in the story. So you're going to click, if you see an exposition, which means there's a clear setting and unique characters, give her a check. If you see a conflict that the story is about, give her a check. If you see a rising action and where tension is building to a climax, give her a check. And you do that for the falling action and the resolution, all of those right there. If you don't see them, don't check them. Honest feedback matters because we can't grow if we don't know the truth. Also, then you're going to come down here and click does this story meet the following requirements? Click all that apply. If they have all 20 storyboard slides, click yes. Do they have a description of each scene? Click it for yes. Leave it blank if it's no. Here you're going to give some feedback. What is a glow? We've talked about glows in our video lesson today. And what is a grow? And then I ask you to provide one piece of additional feedback, just what's on your mind. Give them a personal thought. And then you're going to click next, and you'll jump to the next story. The next story, once you answer all of these, because they are required. And when you get to the next story, you'll come into Joseph's or whoever, Ava's, Lexi's, and you'll be able to look at their stories and provide the same feedback. That, my friends, is your activity today. And it is worth, let's call it 50 points, because I think it is a very strong skill that we must be practicing, because giving feedback is a part of growing and collaborating. And when we collaborate as actors and actresses, we make better performances. And that's what makes us an ensemble. So go ahead, let's get to it, and I'll see you guys soon. Make sure that you write in your journals today, and then check out your Friday work in the Friday section of this class period. See you guys over there.